Are you ready to go, sis? Yep. Let's go. Kira, are we almost there yet? We're almost there, Mackenzie. You have to be patient. Okay, sorry. We're here. Yay! Hi there, cutie. And she has a baby. Hi, horsey. I like your hair. Are we gonna buy them, Kira? Yep. All three of them cost $22.99. Then why do you have $1,000 bill? I don't know. Leave the money here, and the seller will have $1,000 bill. Okay. Come on, guys. Follow me. Come on, guys. We're almost home. I can't wait to play with them. I'm so excited that I even fell. Get up, sis. Sorry. Okay, come on, animals. We should give them names. Yeah. Welcome to our messy home. Let's take this handle off the mama cow's tail. There. Be free! We need to give them a bed. I know what to do. Whoops. I fell. So, we could use our old toy box for now as a bed. Smart. Here's a pillow that we could use. And here's the blanket. Aw, that's cute. But where's the horsey gonna sleep? Maybe outside? I don't know. Hey, Cupcake. Woof, woof. Hey, I have an idea. What if the horse could sleep in Cupcake's bed and Cupcake could sleep on our bed? Or maybe we could lay a blanket out and Cupcake could sleep on that. That's a good idea. Come here, horsey. Looks like she fits fine. Later on, we could find Cupcake a new bed when we get time or money. Yeah. Now let's give them names. The mom's name could be Plumella, the baby could be Calla, and the horse, what should her name be? Goldie. Her name is Goldie. Good idea, sis. Thank you. Hee hee hee. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments let us know which animal is your favorite. Is it Cupcake, the dog, Calla, the cow? Plumella, the cow, Calla, the cow, or Goldie the horse? I'll see you later. Bye!